Strength will rise as we wait upon the Lord. We will wait upon the Lord. We will wait upon the Lord. Strength will rise as we wait upon the Lord. We will wait upon the Lord. We will wait upon the Lord. You reign forever. Our hope, our strong deliverer. You are the everlasting God. The everlasting God. You won't grow weary. You're the defender of the weak. For Liverpool. You comfort those in need. My favorite line. You lift us up on wings like eagles. Yeah, let's rock. You're the rock. Peter the Rock. Cephas in Greek. On you I'll build my church. Let's rock. Oh yeah. Go for that solo. Oh, you rock. You rock, lead guitar. You are the everlasting God, the everlasting God, the everlasting God. Strength will rise as we wait upon the Lord. We will wait upon the Lord. We will wait upon the Lord. Yeah. Oh yeah. Rise up with wings like eagles. Let's hear from the children.
The Lord is the everlasting God, the creator of all the earth. He never grows weak or weary. No one can measure the depths of his understanding. He gives power to the weak and strength to the powerless. Even youths will become weak and tired, and young men will fall in exhaustion. But those who trust in the Lord will find new strength. They'll soar high on the wings like eagles. They'll run and not grow weary. They'll walk and not faint.